Mandu and Chanderi. And then we have seen Jaunpur school, and the Jaunpur school, what is there? Yes, which is Sarki Kingdom, and then we have been able to see क्या देखा था हमने? Cropylon, and then simple combination of arcuate and trabeated. Understood? Then we are going towards South India. In the Bahmani kingdom, there is 5 Muslim states are there. 5 Muslim states. Okay, and if you'll see in the, if I'm here it is, I said that Ahmednagar, and this is I said that Bijapur, this is I said that Berar, this is I said that Bidar, and here we have Golconda. So which are the 5 Muslim states? Which are the 5 Muslim states? Ahmednagar, Bijapur, Berar, Bidar, and this is I said that Golconda. These are the 5 I said that Muslim states. They have been, what is a fight with the what I said that Vijayanagar Empire. And then I am talking about next one. I said that Bijapur, and then I said that Bij. Bij समझते हैं? Bij means seed, and what is the अदरक को मैं क्या बोलता हूँ? Adi. What I used to say? And then UP and Bihar people used to say Adi. So I said that यहाँ पे which kingdom is there? Adil Shahi kingdom. Which one I said that? Understood? And this is an Ahmednagar. I said Qutub Shahi. सारे अहमद क्या हैं? And बैर कौन खाता है? बैर जो खाता है वो इमली भी खाता है. इमाद शाही. And बिदार. And बिदार में क्या होगा? बिदार. आप लोग किस लिए हैं? Why we have come? We have come over here. Selection. And then you, if you think of not putting effort, तो आपकी भी विदाई आएगी कि नहीं? विदाई means your chance. So Bidar has been Barid Sahi. Which one I said that? Barid Sahi. And then Golconda is there. Understood? So they had what? Attacked. So Bijapur. Where I said that? I said that Gol Gumbaz. I said that this is the highest tomb that you can be able to see. So I said that which one I said? Bijapur style developed under the patronage of which? Under the patronage of बीज कौन सा है? तो ये याद करने से क्या होता है? You started locating and then what happened? जब आइडिया होता है then you can be able to correlate the things. Adil Shahi, who is there? Which one is there? And then I said that it is known for the bulbous dome and rich carvings on the walls. Bulbous dome and rich carving. And then Gol Gumbad is a unique example of this school because of the 4 minarets on the side and themselves are the staircase leading to top dome. And it is in a world second, the Gol Gumbad is second largest dome in the world and India's number 1 largest dome. I said that Gol Gumbad, and it has an 4 and on the other side there is what I said that 4 minarets. Understood it? So Bijapur, it is in a Bijapur, it is related to यदि लिख रहा था the Bahmani kingdom, it is correct or not? Yes, Bijapur school is in a part of what? Bahmani kingdom. Understood it? हाँ? इसमें थोड़ा बहुत देख सकते हो लेकिन but is completely it is an arch set. बिना ड्रॉप आर्च ये थोड़े से हर चीज सब जगह मिक्स होता है but we used to say for particular one which is an emphasis, therefore we used to say that you can't say that there is not using the lintel and beam. और जब भी तुगलक आ गया, तुगलक के बाद and then what period of this kingdom? 1350 to 1650. इस तुगलक thereafter तुगलक and तुगलक कब था? 1320 to 14. They are matched and there will be an effect of this. So there will be always effect of all. So using, you can't say separate all this to somewhere giving more support. Is it okay? So we have finished provincial. We have finished with province. And which are the province? Bengal. Bengal में क्या था? Drop arch. And which is the two famous? I said that. Which famous city? District? Malda. And then which one I said that? Gaur and Pandua. Gaur and Pandua. And Pandu को क्या मिल गई? Adina. And then they have been fallen. Drop arch. Killer, convex and all. Thereafter, Gujarat. Gujarat में which I said that? Khilji. And it is a combination of which two? Tell me, which is a combination of which two? Hindu and Jaina. बोलते रहे, yes. Hindu and Jaina. And thereafter I said Malwa. Malwa and Jaunpur. It is in a, which kind it is? In a mixture of arcuate and lintel and arch. And then that I said that Tughlaq. From it is in starting onwards, Tughlaq. And then Malwa mein which are I said that Dhar, Mandu, Chanderi. Dhar, Mandu and then Jaunpur I said that Sarki kingdom. After that, and then I said that Propylon. Which it is there? Propylon. And after that Jaunpur, which one we have seen? Bijapur. And in the Bijapur, which is the famous one? Gol Gumbad. Understood it? Now, Mughals. I said Babur had how many years Babur remained over here? Yes? 4 years. 1526 to 1530. He is able to win larger area, but he is not able to, I have said that, stable, make his empire to be stable. Therefore, he has given his son unstable empire, full of thrones and all. So he has not been able to make any kind of architectural development. Understood? And when he died itself in Delhi में one he has been made able to made what is an Aram Bagh, and जो कि हम लोग देखेंगे कई यहाँ पर स्टोरी में फिट नहीं होगा तो some art and culture will be what is a part of it. So Aram Bagh, and after that उनको बाद में शिफ्ट किया गया, बोले कि बाबा को चलो फिर पे कहाँ पे और वहाँ पे बनाया गया. What is his body has been again buried. आराम बाग, बहुत आराम देना था उनको. इंडिया में नहीं मिल रहा था, दिल्ली में उनको आराम नहीं मिल रहा था. And I said that Babur. So Babur, as I said that Babur had no time for building activities. रहेगा? Do you have an idea or not? Conceptually clear? Because he had no time for what is making his empire stable, no time for making some architectural development and all. But I said in Babarnama he claimed credit for construction of some buildings, and that is in a pavilions and all. Only 3 mosques constructed by him, and then have been traced with where is a mosque at Panipat, and then Moradabad, Sambhal, and at Ayodhya. Which are I said that he has made then Panipat, Sambhal, Ayodhya. Panipat, Sambhal, and Ayodhya. It has been mentioned in which? Babar Nama. Yes? और जब भी you know that what is the Pani Puri? Pani Puri all of you know, गोलगप्पा and all. चलो कोई बात नहीं. So आप बार बार पानी मांगो, ऐसा not, इसलिए शुगर खाया करो. क्या करो? बार बार बाबर. Yes? बार बार what you ask for. यदि कोई लोग नहीं खाने का पता रहता है तो somebody enjoy it and somebody that bar. Panipat, Sambalpur, and then some boys can never eat. उनको आदत नहीं होती तीखा खाने की. वो अयोध्या के राम की तरह सीधे होते हैं. Which are the 3 famous? I said that mosques. Yes, tell me. Babar, Ayodhya. Where I am talking about? Ayodhya. Which I said that? Killer Faizabad district. And आपको ही पता RSS. And then I said that which are the famous tombs we have seen? Tell me first. Panipat mosque, and thereafter I said that Panipat, Sambhal, and the Sambhal Moradabad just in the UP, and thereafter Ayodhya. And then mosque at Panipat, Sambhal, and Ayodhya. With the advent of Humayun, building activities were influenced by the Persian style. Persian style it is means Iran side, western side. Persian style, it is generally believed that the Humayun laid the foundation of city named Dinpana. Yes or not? तो हुमायूं क्या था? He is a good emperor or not? Bad emperor. भागते ही रहता था. In the battle of Bilgram and the battle of Chausa, the two battle in 1539 and 1540 in the 1539 Bilgram and the 1540 Chausa. So sorry, Chausa for Bilgram. तो चौसा आम खा के गया बिल में और उस घुस के पहुंच गया था पर्सिया और लौट के नहीं आ रहा था. He was not coming. He was not returning back. And then by the time slowly and slowly he came. After that he got his son at a talk in the Pakistan में वहाँ पे उसका जन्म हुआ. Who? Akbar. And then by that time Suri dynasty is growing. And I said that Humayun तो वो सभी से सबसे क्या बोलता था? पनाह मांगता था. सभी से दिन में बोलता था. And he moved towards, after the bit defeated by Shershah Suri, he moved towards what is in a Sindh region. Then I said that Punjab region, then Turkey went away, and then फिर Persia. So सभी से जगह से वो पनाह मांग रहा था. दिन में पनाह. तो city of Din Panah has been what? City of Din Panah formed by Humayun. Can you remember? And it was generally believed that the Humayun laid the foundation of city of Din Panah, a citadel in Delhi. He also constructed two mosques at Agra and Fatehabad. Two mosques. It is not necessary to what is in Agra, but these structures are devoid of any architectural. इसलिए आप इन दोनों को नहीं भी याद करोगे तो दिक्कत नहीं है. जहाँ पे नहीं होगा, I'll tell you that is not necessary to Agra and Fatehabad. Thereafter, I said that Sur architecture. Who came? Suri, Shershah Suri. Yes. And then I said that interregnum time between two reigns of governments. Yes or not? One it is in a Mughal, and then there is a coming of Afghans. फिर again there is a coming of Mughals. So it is in this Suri dynasty. This period is between the two. I said that periods. And then Shershah constructed several forts, tombs and mosques. But his style was continuation of which one? Lodi, Afghan kind. Yes or not? Lodi is in a kind of what? Afghani. And then it is an Afghan kind of what? Style is there. Which kind I said that? Lodi. So continuation of Lodi style. Understood? So it means Suri dynasty. Can you remember the Suri dynasty has been continued which style? Lodi style, Afghan. And then I said the representation of this style that you can see, one it is in a in the tomb in Sasaram. It has been formed within the pond. एक बहुत बड़ा pond है उसी के बीच में there is a tomb has been formed of Shershah. And his of this style is this tomb at Sasaram, and it is in the center of a large square tank. The mausoleum are octagonal, and I have said that earlier that slowly and slowly after the Khilji and all, then we have started seeing the octagonal tomb, which I said that octagonal. The mausoleums are octagonal in plan, and then have verandas around them and surmounted by huge dome. So octagonal it has been started. Yes, which kind of it? Octagonal, and then there is a dome structure has been given, and then big verandas. The slowly and slowly we started getting what is this kind of style, in which I said that who has given this kind of big dome and octagonal that has been followed earlier, and then big veranda. Yes, which one? Suri dynasty. Which one I said that? And then mausoleum are octagonal in plan, having a verandas around them, and then surmounted by a huge dome. Shershah also built the Purana Killa in Delhi. And then शेर लोग नहीं होते या पुराने शेर लोग कैसा होता है? Just tell me what kind of person they have now. Already everyone knows that he is in a powerful. So Shers, and then I said that which one I said that? Shershah has made what Purana Delhi, in which the houses of Kilai Khuna Masjid is there. I said that Kilai Khuna पुराना किले में, और शेर ने क्या किया था? पूरे किले में क्या कर दिया था? So Kilai Khuna Masjid. So I said that Shershah. Again I said that Shershah dynasty it is known as the interregnum in between the two periods, and thereafter we have seen that there is which kind of said that Lodi style has been followed, and then there is a tomb, mosque, several things has been formed. But I said that famous tomb it is in the what? In the Sasaram in Bihar, and then within the pond there is tomb has been formed, and thereafter we have been able to see Purana Killa. What he has made in Delhi, which I said that Killa, and then city of Dinpana, who has made? Babur. Who has made? Humayun. Who has made? Who has made? Humayun. And then in the Purana Qila there is a masjid. What is the masjid? Qilai Khuna Masjid. Khun means bloody. Then Sher sabhi ko khata rehta tha just. And then now next one I said Akbar. And then period of Akbar is formative period of Mughal architecture. And you know that red sandstone and so many things it has been formed. It represents the finest example of fusion of Indo-Islamic structure. It is everywhere it is looking like secular, everywhere it is looking like, and it is highly religious tolerant. Which kind of person he was? Highly religious person. Jille Ilahi and all. And then he was famous for what is his efforts for for removing several taxes from the Hindus and all. And then not only in his empire there is all kind of person who can give an idea about Christianity, he can give an idea about what is Parsis, who can give an idea about Hindu and all. So where he can be able to I said that taken a better decision. So I said that and then I said so Indo-Islamic architecture, it represents the unique blend of Persian architecture with the Indian. And then already Babar ke saath hi already we have what coming